God can provide for all birds in the sky. What more can I say? He's a miracle working God. And now I believe that it's because of Him that I'm a living man today. I realize that I am blessed. And what more can I say? Thank you, Lord.
This wooden table with a quick assembly design was fully disassembled to give you a better view of its component pieces and joints. The four legs were unscrewed and removed. Then the tabletop pieces, which are separate wooden planks, were also unscrewed and removed. The tabletop supporting base was also unscrewed. To separate the component pieces. To reassemble the tabletop, grooves close to the edges of the tabletop pieces were reciprocally fitted. Grooves at the leg tips were fitted into other grooves below the tabletop support. And finally, the separate planks which were used here to form the tabletop were arranged and screwed on the tabletop supporting base to complete the reassembly of the table as shown.
Thanks for watching, and we should always remember that it's not important. The job of the